Hello everybody, welcome to Me Paintings. I'm Veronica Me, and this is a mess which happened after my puddle pour which I created for my friend. I was using these ready-made pouring colors. They come in spectrum tones, and I also use these aqua tones. I will put the link down in the description box for you if you'll be interested. And these are great because you don't have to mix them at all. You just pour them straight on your canvas. And I made this puddle pour and tilted it and had loads of leftovers, so I used them. So like I said, let's scrape all of these colors. I'm gonna start with the yellow and put them in my cup. They all mix nicely together, so you will get many more interesting colors by mixing all these leftovers. So I'm gonna pour on my canvas, which is 20 times 20 centimeters. I'll just pour a little bit of that white here in the middle because I'll be making a ring pour. So that's white in the middle, and here comes my leftover colors. Let's tilt it everywhere. Wow, that's so cool! It looks like some kind of sunset with sun and amazing clouds. You might not be able to see that, but I already see a beautiful scenery in that. I'm gonna let this dry. As you can see, you can use your leftovers and still create a beautiful piece. I think it will go much darker when it gets dry, so I will wait a week and show you what to do next. Hey guys, so my leftover pour is dry, and look at that. I think it's so amazing. I can see something in it. Can you see something? Usually when I want to embellish my pour, I look at it sometimes for a few minutes, sometimes for a few months, and then I start to see something amazing in it. And now I see beautiful mountains and amazing sunset with sun shining on these beautiful mountains. So I'm gonna paint that. I'm gonna show you how to do that, and maybe you've got similar pour, or you will try to make this as from leftovers, and you will end up with absolutely amazing and unique piece of art. So let's start. I think I'm gonna paint or draw a sun here, and then mountains with just few simple lines. So I'm gonna decide where to put my sun. I think this middle part should be alright. And for circle I use my yogurt cup. So these parts looks like beautiful clouds, and they will be in front of my sun. So I just have to decide, I just have to find the right place for my sun. Yep, and this looks like a good place. So I'm gonna use my pencil and draw circle. Not the full circle, just parts which will be visible. Yeah, so this looks like the mountains. I won't draw any lines with pencil. I will start straight away with my brush and a little bit of black color. I'm using this Mars black. So I put my brush in water and then put a little bit of that black on my brush. I'm using this blending brush size 4, but you can use different size if your canvas is bigger size. This is size 20 times 20 centimeters. Now this line looks like a beautiful line for my mountain, so let's draw a line here. And then I'm gonna blend my black so it creates these nice mountains. I'm gonna paint mountains which are farther away and then some which will be in the front. So let's paint these mountains here. So my mountains are finished. Now time for my sun. For that I'm gonna use my titanium white and then I might put a little bit of shiny color on it, like this pearl golden hour, which is shiny because I think it will look nice if my sun will shine through everything. So let's put a little bit of that white here. I'm gonna paint it white. And as I said, these will be clouds. So let's go around these lines like this. After 5 minutes, it looks like my white is dry, so I can put second layer of color on it. As I said, this is my shiny pearl golden hour color, and of course you could just put one layer of your color in there, but I wanted my sun to be very shiny. That's why I put white first and then the second layer. Let's try. So my sun is done, and now I'm going to mix a little bit of that white with the yellow and paint some reflections. I'm using my tiny brush. So the reflection is coming this way. I'm gonna highlight in some of these lines, just the very tiny lines. I'm also gonna add glow behind these mountains. And that's it. That's my leftover pour with mountains. And I often hear, like, you are wasting so much colors with acrylic pouring, but that's not true. You can reuse your colors again and create beautiful pieces. So I hope this tutorial was inspirational for you. I hope it gave you some interesting ideas. And if you liked it, please give a thumbs up or subscribe to my channel. You can also join my Facebook group, which is called Create With Me, and show us your beautiful art. Thank you very much for watching my tutorials. I hope I'll see you again. Bye!